Right, so the Mini's back from the sandblasters. Most of it's back from the sandblasters, some of it's still there I think. It's got a few holes in it, but nothing that we can't fix. So we'll have a little look round it and see what we've got left. Most of it's still there, as I said. All the back floor pans are mint as. It's just when you get up the front corners where they always go up here, that is like a tea bag. But I've got that on my donor body shell, so I can cut that out and put that in there. The passenger side is even worse. It's perforated everywhere through. You can see, yeah, there's bloody holes everywhere. So that's the whole side's gonna have to go. Again, I've got a floor pan in the other car that's mint as. Rear valance, most of it, say 90% of it is good, and this corner is perforated. And again, I can cut that out of the other car and whack that in there. The boot floor, I knew that was buggered. The spare wheel, someone has done a real nasty repair there, so the wheel well out of the other car, I shall cut that out and I shall weld that in there so you can't see it. A few little holes here and there which we can get rid of. Back seat, just one side has got a bit of a hole in it, but the other side's cool. Overall, it's bloody good. Places where they always go, the sills, there's a few holes which we've got to deal to. The driver's side is the worst. The sill on that side's got holes all across the top. I'll just roll it right round and show you. Handy having this rotisserie. So there you go. So that whole top of the sill has got to be replaced, and down here, A-panels are a bit buggered. But overall, I've taxed worse in the UK, to be fair. And there we go. There she is. Next mission is welding it up. So if you want to see this Mini's journey from what it is now to what it's going to be, like and subscribe and follow along.